This machine won't turn on right now. Take it apart first and see what's wrong. Clean up the dust. Customers say this machine, plug it in, it will trip when it turns on. Let's try turning it on now and see if it trips. As soon as the switch is turned on, the power trips. Check to see if there is any obvious burnt area. The capacitor doesn't look burnt out. Check out other causes of tripping. Check if the rectifier bridge stack is broken. A total of 2 rectifier bridges. This rectifier bridge is normal. Well, this rectifier bridge is damaged. Rectifier bridge is broken. It also trips when power is turned on. Now to replace this damaged rectifier bridge. It's this rectifier bridge that's broken. Now replace this no rectifier bridge. The new rectifier bridge has been installed. Already installed. Let's launch it. After replacing the new rectifier bridge, can start normally. Measure the no-load voltage. It is normal for no-load voltage to have 67 volts. Now let's see if we can solder. We have assembled the machine. This machine has been repaired. Just one rectifier bridge is broken. Follow us if you like this video. Thanks for watching.